Good evening and welcome to Gustav's shop upgrade video here. This is a constantly changing thing to make things better and easier and yeah. So now I have done some more upgrades which I'm gonna show you. So here is the tables. I bought them very cheaply from IKEA, and also some wheels here from IKEA, and also more IKEA translucent boxes here that can be stacked. So I made this board here, which I later on had to modify a little bit, but you see, there we go, and you can move this around if you need to. And now we're gonna put these tables here, which I'm going to put together very easily due to IKEA do very easy construction things if you can follow the instructions, which is easy. If you have a problem with this, that something you should absolutely overcome in your life. So anyway, so I'm attaching all the legs here, except for one, which should be on the front, so you can get the boxes in and out easier. On the back side it doesn't really matter, so you can have them both there. And you see you put one in the middle there, which I will put together with some L mounts, or if you don't have any better solution. So you see we have three here, so they will be put with this. These are the L mounts. And now we have a second layer here, so you see that will be the furniture, so you can stack things, boxes inside it here. And now I'm gonna move a bunch of stuff here. I did this about 2 years ago, but I haven't uploaded it until now for different reasons, but also if this is a good thing due to you have lived with it for some time. So you see, I'm just gonna put that in there for better storage than a bunch of cardboard boxes. And this is something I actually had to do, was to put these things here to raise it up a little bit for, you know. So this has replaced, I've 3D printed this, it is amazing, the wagon on the floor, and also this one has been, one section has been cut off, so there's only two. And this is fantastically amazing way to store things compared to before. So now it will be a little bonus here when I am destroying this my old total wagon here, due to it took a lot of space to store things, which you can store in a more efficient way because this takes space on the floor. So instead I had this 3D printed thing, and all the other tools that are bigger than this thing I have on my work table now is stored in one of these translucent boxes, because that are tools that I don't need to use that frequent. So yeah, it was a good idea, but it took also a lot of space. It should have been a lot of thinner, this thing, but in concept it's good, but the execution of this was not very good at all. So this will have to go. And you see I am just saving all the L mounts and all the screws and things I have used for this, so they can be used on other things. That is usually how I do things. They usually get tear down and replaced into something, so it's like almost like a DNA string of things that I used that they have been used in several other things before. So yeah, but thank you for watching this little shop upgrade video. Bye.